Hello and hi friends, welcome back to Krishna's tutorials. So many students have been requesting me to do videos in English. Recently I published a video on total number of LLB seats and colleges in Telangana state, and one student requested me to do the same video in English. Not only that, previously also few students requested me to do videos in English. So keeping in the mind the need of students who understand only English or Hindi, I will be doing videos in English. So not all the videos, but some videos I will be doing on your request. Then in this particular video I am going to talk all about number of courses, number of colleges, and number of LLB seats available in the Telangana state, friends. So look at the table here. So first of all, let us discuss about LLB 3 years course. So there are two courses under LLB 3 years. One is plain LLB and number two LLB honors. Okay, LLB is there and LLB honors is there. Both courses duration is 3 years, and there is small difference between LLB and LLB honors. If you know that, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I will be doing a video on it. Next, colleges. There are 22 colleges offering LLB and only two colleges offering LLB honors. Friends, note that the colleges which offer LLB may also offer LLB honors. Okay, simultaneously, one college can offer LLB and LLB honors also. So in that way, there are 24 colleges in Telangana state and college intake. So talking about college intake, there are 3,790 LLB seats in Telangana and 420 LLB honor seats in Telangana. That means total of 4,210 LLB seats are there in Telangana. Okay, 4,210 LLB seats are there. But friends, listen here. So not all the 4,210 seats will be open for students who qualified TS last at 2020. So only 3,406 seats will be open for TS last at qualified students, right? So that means convener quota seats. So seats are there, LLB seats are there. We can divide it into uh, two parts. One is convener quota seats and another one is management quota seats. So convener quota seats is that which are open only for TS Lasset qualified students, and management quota seats are those seats which are open for uh, especially those students who are not qualified TS Lasset, or who did not get seat through counseling, or who did not appear for TS Lasset 2021. So this is the uh, difference between convener quota seats and management quota seats, right? So here, out of 3,790 LLB seats, only 3,070 seats are offered through counseling, that is convener intake. Next, out of 4,020 LLB honor seats, only 336 will be offered through counseling. So there are 3,406 convener seats in Telangana. So if you observe the qualified students 14,017 and convener intake 3,406, only qualified students are eligible for those convener seats 3,406. So there is not even one seat for two students. So approximately, if we do calculation, so there is only one seat for four students, friends. If four students participate in counseling, only one student will get admission, right? Because 14,017 students are there for 3,406 seats. I hope you are understanding it. So but don't worry, friends, some students may not participate in counseling, because there may be some students who get married after completion of degree, especially girls, and some students just write TS last at 2021 to test their talent, and some students may opt for MCOM, MSc, or some students may not continue studies. Some students may get some good job and they go to that job. So there will be a chance of getting seat for students who got high rank also. So it is like testing your luck. So you can participate in counseling and you can see whether you will get seat or not. But I suggest uh, you to select more number of colleges in counseling or all the colleges in counseling. If you get highest rank, that means more than 3000 rank, if you get a rank of 3000 plus, I suggest you to select all the colleges in counseling, because there will be a less chance of getting seat. Then talking about 5IDC in or integrated LLB. So there are three courses available in Telangana. One is BBA LLB and BCom LLB, finally BA LLB. So these are the three courses. These are integrated courses. So only two colleges are offering BBA LLB, one college is offering BCom LLB, and 16 colleges are offering BA LLB. And there is no BSc LLB and BTech LLB in Telangana, friends. College intake. So 180 BBA LLB seats are there, 120 BCom LLB seats are there, and 1280 BA LLB seats are there. A total of 1580 LLB integrated LLB seats are available in Telangana. Out of that, only 1340 seats are convener intake. So out of 180 BBA LLB seats, only 144 are offered for TS Law Set qualified students, and out of 120 BCom LLB seats, only 96 seats will be offered to TS Law Set qualified students, and out of 1280 BA LLB seats, only 1100 seats will be offered to the students who qualified TS Law Set 2021. That means 13,440 is the convener intake, and remaining is the management quota seats. So if you observe the qualified students 3846 and convener intake 1340, so there is a difference. So we can say that there is one seat for three students. Okay, if three students apply for counseling to get seat, only one student will get admission. So but it is a estimation, not accurate. I'm not saying accurately that out of every three students, one student will get admission. So that is not. So I'm just analyzing the situation, friends. So this is so, but there may be some dropout. Some students may not take admission into LLB, some students may not participate in counseling, some students may opt for BTech courses, and some students may go for general traditional degree courses like BCom, BSc, etc. So there will be a chance of getting seat even if you have a high rank, but I suggest you to select all the colleges or more number of colleges if you have a rank of 1500 plus. So that's all in this video, friends. If you find this video helpful, please let me know. I will be doing more such videos, and also let me know how is my English fluency. I will be improving it for you. Thank you, friends. Keep smiling. Have a nice day.